What the fuck? What are you doing?
Done? Run away from the cops. It was a tornado earlier, and I got stuck. But ow!
It's in the middle of the summer.
Yeah, it's just Kansas.
You're fucking gay.
Yep.